This is a magnificent example of an imperial work of art. This bell is particularly interesting because it was cast during the reign of the Emperor Qianlong. He was the greatest patron of the arts of the time. Works of art from his reign are still very much sought after. Bianzhong bells were essential in conducting Confucian rituals at the imperial altars, and they were also used in ascension ceremonies or enthroning a new emperor. These bells were made in sets of 16, usually arranged in 2 rows of 8, and they were hung from a wooden frame that was usually lacquered. The decoration is striding dragons chasing the flaming pearl. The dragon, a very iconographic Chinese symbol of power and strength, and sometimes referred to as the emperor himself. And chasing the flaming pearl, the pearl of wisdom. In this example here, we see that the dragon has actually clasped the pearl in his hands, thereby achieving wisdom. Another special feature of this bell is that it has 2 inscriptions. The first inscription is dating it to the 8th year of the Qianlong reign, corresponding to 1743. And there is another inscription that identifies the tone of the bell. It's one of those iconic Chinese works of art.